Canva Pro free for students? Do you need a Canva student discount if you want to get Canva Pro? In this video, I'm going to share with you all the details about Canva Pro for students. So stay tuned and let's go through it. Is Canva Pro free for students? Here's a quick answer. Canva Pro is free for students who are in the primary or secondary school. However, it's not called Canva Pro then, it's called Canva for Education. It has all the features of Canva Pro plus some other special templates and features and app integrations that you need as a student. Now, can you sign up for Canva for Education by yourself if you are a student in primary or secondary school? The short answer again is no. You need your teacher to sign up for Canva for Education and then invite you. You will get all the features again, but you cannot sign up for it yourself. Is Canva Pro free for students who are in college or university? Again, a short answer. Wow, but a little more complicated answer is that you can get access to Canva for Campus if your college or university has paid for that subscription through Canva. So it is not free. Your college or university needs to sign up for Canva for Campus. But if they have, you can ask your IT or admin. If they have signed up for that, they can potentially invite you and you can get access to all the Canva Pro features for Campus. Can you sign up by yourself for Canva Pro as a college or university student and get a Canva student discount? No. You can access Canva Pro for free, but there is no student discount specifically if you are in college or university. Can your college or university teacher sign up for Canva Pro or Canva for Education and then invite you? Again, teachers can sign up for Canva for Education if they are in primary or secondary education and they can invite their primary or secondary school students, but your college or university teacher cannot sign up for Canva for Education. Your campus has to sign up for it. Let's look at it a little bit more in details on the Canva page itself. To get started, directly go to the link in the description for Canva for Education. And here you can see you have three options: teachers, schools, and students. Teachers can directly click on this, get verified. All you have to do is enter your teacher email address, so something that the school has given you. It's not a Gmail, Hotmail, whatever personal email. It has to be an educational email address. Then provide your details and get verified. And then you get access to Canva for Education. And you can create a ton of content and your lessons. You have special templates, special elements, all of which helps you create trainings for your students. It also integrates with core classroom tools like Schoology, D2L, Classroom, Canvas, Microsoft Teams. So it just helps you. It has all of these features, especially in Canva for Education. It has all the features for Canva Pro, as I said, but also for Canva for Education. Then you have special teacher resources, case studies, etc. So all you need to do is click here, get verified, and then provide all the information over here. It's going to open my Canva account, so we don't really need to do that. But I'm going to go back, because I am already logged into Canva, so that's why it shows that one. I'm going to go back to Canva for Education, and if I see on schools, and it says, as a school, you can also contact them and sign up and get a free Canva for Education free account. Then you potentially can share it with your teachers, and the teachers can share it with their students, etc. This link is also in the description for school, so you can, if you are a student in primary or secondary education and you want to get access to Canva for Education and all the features of Canva Pro, you can just contact your teacher or your school and get them to sign up for it. Again, the links are in the description. And as students, it says discover more. And let's see what happens when you click on this and open this window up. Now let's see how this works. You can go to this page, canva.com/education/students. There is also a link in the description for Canva for Education. Now here you see it's Canva for Students. Here you have all the details about what are the features that you can use. So you have enhance your projects and get your job, etc. Can I access Canva for free? And it says you can sign up as a student to Canva free. Or if your school or university already has a Canva account, you can log in through your school and get all the pro and premium features. And here it says very clearly, higher education students, university and college, you can get free access to pro and premium features through Canva for Campus only if your university or education has access. And in case of primary and secondary schools, you can get started as Canva free and you are eligible for free access if through Canva for Education and Canva for Campus are two completely different programs. This one is free and this one is paid. And here, if you go to, again, it has all the features, whiteboard, so you can work together, presentation, social, video, documents, website. You can get all the visual suite and the pro features for free, even the Magic Studio with Canva for Education. And here it says how to get a Canva for Education account. You can only get access if your teacher invites you. If you're a teacher, you can do this in your settings, learn about inviting, and then you go to this page. So those were the full details of Canva for Education, Canva student discount, but there is no student discount per se, and all the information about it is Canva Pro free for students. Hope you like this video. If you do, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content on Canva.